How was your day?
My day was good.
Did you work yesterday?
Yes, I worked all day.
Were you outside yesterday?
No, I went home after work.
Did you get up early or late yesterday?
I got up early.
Did you eat breakfast yesterday?
No, I did not eat breakfast.
What did you eat?
I ate yogurt and fruit.
Did you learn something yesterday?
Yes, I learned a bit of English.
When did you study?
I studied in the afternoon.
Were you on your phone a lot yesterday?
Yes, I read many messages.
Did you write to someone?
Yes, I wrote to a friend.
Were you outdoors yesterday?
Yes, I was outside in the evening.
What did you do outside?
I went for a walk.
Was the weather pleasant?
Yes, it was not cold.
Did you buy anything yesterday?
Yes, I was at the store.
What did you buy?
I bought bread and milk.
Did you have much to do yesterday?
No, it was not stressful.
Did you cook or order food yesterday?
I cooked myself.
What did you cook?
A simple vegetable dish.
Did you eat alone?
Yes, I ate alone.
Did you listen to music yesterday?
Yes, I listened to music in the evening.
What music did you listen to?
I listened to calm music.
Did you watch TV yesterday?
No, I did not watch TV.
What did you do instead?
I did some reading.
Were you tired yesterday?
Yes, I was tired in the evening.
Did you go to bed early?
Yes, around 10 o'clock.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
Were you content yesterday?
Yes, I think so.
Was there something nice yesterday?
Yes, the walk was nice.
Was there something hard?
No, nothing special.
Was yesterday a good day for you?
Yes, it was a pleasant day.
Were you tired in the evening?
Yes, I was very tired.
When did you go to sleep?
Already around 10 o'clock.
Did you eat something early yesterday?
Yes, I had a small breakfast.
What did you do first in the morning?
I got up and made coffee.
Did you eat a warm lunch yesterday?
Yes, I ate a warm meal.
Did you eat alone?
Yes, I was alone.
Did you make the food yourself?
Yes, I cooked quickly.
Did it taste good to you?
Yes, it was pretty good.
Did you drink enough yesterday?
Yes, I drank a lot of water.
Were you outside for a short time yesterday?
Yes, in the afternoon.
What did you do outside?
I ran a little.
Were you alone or with someone?
I was alone.
Did you have time to think yesterday?
Yes, a little.
What did you think about?
About my work and next week.
Did you set a goal?
Yes, I wanted to sleep earlier.
Did you write notes?
Yes, I wrote something down.
Did you watch something new yesterday?
Yes, I watched a series.
Did you like the series?
Yes, it was exciting.
Did you laugh while watching?
Yes, I laughed a few times.
Were you on your phone a lot?
No, I was not on my phone.
Did you read news?
No, I read no news.
Did you see anyone yesterday?
No, I saw no one.
Were you alone at home?
Yes, I was alone all evening.
Did you look for something yesterday?
Yes, I looked for my headphones.
Did you find them?
Yes, I found them.
Where were your headphones?
My headphones were on the table.
Did you tidy up yesterday?
Yes, I cleaned up.
Did you let fresh air in?
Yes, I opened the window.
Did you listen to music?
Yes, I played soft music.
Did you learn anything yesterday?
Yes, I learned new English words.
Did you talk a lot?
No, I spoke very little.
Did you write something?
Yes, a short message.
Did you go shopping yesterday?
Yes, I went quickly to the store.
What did you buy?
I bought bread and fruit.
Was it crowded there?
Yes, it was pretty crowded.
Did you have to wait?
Yes, I waited a few minutes.
Did you spend money yesterday?
Yes, but not much.
Did you prepare your things?
Yes, for the next day.
Did you start work on time?
Yes, I started right on time.
And did you finish on time?
Yes, I did.
Was your day rather short or long?
It was rather short.
Did you forget something?
No, I forgot nothing.
Did you help someone?
No, I helped no one.
Did you sit outside?
Yes, I sat on a bench briefly.
Was it quiet there?
Yes, very quiet.
Did you enjoy the evening?
Yes, I did.
Were you satisfied at the end?
Yes, I was satisfied.
Did you fall asleep calmly?
Yes, I slept well.
How was your morning today?
My morning was calm.
Did you get up on time today?
Yes, I got up on time today.
Did you eat breakfast today?
Yes, I ate breakfast today.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
For breakfast, I ate toast.
Did you drink coffee today?
Yes, I drank coffee today.
How did you get to work today?
I took the subway to work today.
Was the subway crowded today?
Yes, the subway was crowded today.
Did you have stress today?
No, I had no stress today.
Were you in a good mood today?
Yes, I was in a good mood today.
Did you work today?
Yes, I worked today.
What did you do at work today?
At work, I organized a lot.
Did you take a break today?
Yes, I took a break today.
Was the break short or long?
The break was short.
Did you eat lunch today?
Yes, I ate lunch today.
What did you eat for lunch today?
For lunch, I ate rice.
Did you drink enough water today?
Yes, I drank enough water today.
Did you meet anyone today?
No, I met no one today.
Did you talk with someone today?
Yes, I talked with a coworker today.
What did you talk about today?
I talked about work today.
Did you learn something today?
Yes, I learned something today.
What did you learn today?
I learned new words today.
Did you write the new words down?
Yes, I wrote the new words down.
Did you listen to music today?
Yes, I listened to music today.
What music did you listen to today?
I listened to calm music today.
Were you outside today?
Yes, I was outside today.
What did you do outside?
Outside, I took a short walk.
Was the weather good today?
Yes, the weather was good today.
Did you buy something today?
Yes, I bought something today.
What did you buy?
I bought bread today.
Was the store crowded today?
Yes, the store was crowded today.
Did you have to wait in the store?
Yes, I had to wait in the store.
Did you spend money today?
Yes, I spent money today.
Did you tidy up today?
Yes, I tidied up today.
Did you put something away today?
Yes, I put something away today.
Did you get fresh air today?
Yes, I got fresh air today.
Did you think a lot today?
No, I did not think much today.
Did you plan something today?
Yes, I planned something today.
What did you plan today?
I planned the next day today.
Did you feel tired today?
Yes, I felt tired today.
Did you go home early today?
Yes, I went home early today.
Did you do something this evening?
Yes, I read this evening.
Did you sleep well today?
Yes, I slept well today.
Was your morning stressful today?
No, my morning was not stressful today.
Did you get up late today?
No, I did not get up late today.
Did you eat breakfast today?
Yes, I ate breakfast today.
Did you eat bread today?
No, I did not eat bread today.
Did you drink tea today?
Yes, I drank tea today.
Did you walk today?
No, I did not walk today.
Did you take the bus today?
Yes, I took the bus today.
Was the bus empty today?
No, the bus was not empty today.
Were you in a good mood today?
Yes, I was in a good mood today.
Did you have time today?
No, I had no time today.
Did you work today?
Yes, I worked today.
Did you work long today?
No, I did not work long today.
Did you take a break today?
Yes, I took a break today.
Was the break short today?
Yes, the break was short today.
Did you eat lunch today?
No, I did not eat lunch today.
Did you drink enough water today?
Yes, I drank enough water today.
Did you meet someone today?
No, I met no one today.
Did you call someone today?
Yes, I called my mom today.
Was the call short today?
No, the call was not short today.
Did you learn something today?
Yes, I learned something today.
Did you learn new words today?
Yes, I learned new words today.
Did you write the words down today?
No, I did not write the words today.
Did you listen to music today?
Yes, I listened to music today.
Was the music loud today?
No, the music was not loud today.
Were you outside today?
Yes, I was outside today.
Were you outside long today?
No, I was not outside long today.
Did you buy something today?
Yes, I bought something today.
Did you buy fruit today?
No, I did not buy fruit today.
Was the store crowded today?
Yes, the store was crowded today.
Did you have to wait today?
Yes, I had to wait today.
Did you spend money today?
No, I did not spend money today.
Did you tidy up today?
Yes, I tidied up today.
Did you clean everything today?
No, I did not clean everything today.
Did you get fresh air today?
Yes, I got fresh air today.
Did you think a lot today?
No, I did not think a lot today.
Did you plan something today?
Yes, I planned something today.
Did you plan the evening today?
No, I did not plan the evening today.
Did you feel tired today?
Yes, I felt tired today. And
Did you fall asleep early today?
no, I did not fall asleep early today.
Did you sleep well today?
Yes, I slept well today.